This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play together in Euro Truck Simulator 2. First, you'll need to download and install the Truckers MP client from their official website. This essential modification enables the multiplayer experience. Make sure your base game, Euro Truck Simulator 2, is fully installed and updated through Steam. The client is relatively small, typically under 100 megabytes, and installation is straightforward, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Next, you'll need to create a free account on the Truckers MP website. This account acts as your unique identifier within the multiplayer world. During registration, you'll be prompted to link your Steam account. This step is crucial as it verifies your ownership of Euro Truck Simulator 2. Ensure your Steam profile is set to public temporarily for the linking process to succeed. This usually takes just a few moments to complete. Once your account is set up, launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 directly through the Truckers MP client, not Steam. A new launcher window will appear, presenting a list of available servers. These servers can host hundreds, sometimes thousands of players simultaneously. Select a server with good ping for the best experience. Coordinate with your friends to choose the same server, ensuring you all enter the same virtual world. After loading into the game on your chosen server, you can now meet up with your friends. Use the in-game map, accessible by pressing the M key, to see their locations. You can then drive to their position or invite them to a convoy. Convoys allow up to 8 players to synchronize their jobs and routes, making for a truly collaborative trucking experience across the vast European roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.